Call to the path of your Lord with wisdom and fine admonition. Dispute with them in the best manner. Your Lord is well aware of those who have gone astray from His path, and He is well aware of those who are guided.
Assalamu alaikum. As you all know, Mirza Sab has told countless lies in his books and life. We are continuing this series to expose his lies. Here are some more of his lies mentioned in this episode. Stay tuned for the details, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Mirza Sab has written, "In my time a plague came upon the country under the Sahih Hadiths and the Holy Qur'an and the earlier heavenly books." Hakritah Al-Wahi, page 45, Ruhani Khazain, volume 22, page 48. This is clearly false. The plague is not mentioned in the Holy Qur'an, any Sahih Hadith, or any of the heavenly books. How bold is it to claim prophecy while lying blatantly? Nowhere in the Holy Qur'an and Sahih Hadith is plague mentioned as a sign of Mahdi or Christ's descent. By the way, plague is not new. It's always on its way. It came to India a few years ago and severed all foreign ties. When it arrives in cities, there is a high mortality rate. During Sayyiduna Umar's caliphate, a plague came known as Umwas. 70,000 men died in 3 days. Mirza Sab has written that since it has come in Sahih Hadith, the promised Mahdi will have a printed book in which the records of his 313 companions will be recorded. Then about this book it is written, and that book is Al-Asrar, that the Mahdi will emerge from the village called Qada. This name is an Arabicization of Qadian. Addendum Anjum Atham, page 324. There is no authentic hadith for this article in any hadith book. It is an outright lie that this hadith is authentic and that the Mahdi will be born in Qada. He will have a book with his 313 companions' names. Jawahar al-Asrar is not a revered book. Second, Qada is not Qadian's name but a town in Yemen. It is not the name of Punjab's Qadian. The broader Mirza Sahib's claim, the more outrageous the lie he tells. In another book, Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani writes, "Many ahadiths prove that the age of the Adam's son is 7,000 years, and the last Adam, who will be like the first Adam, will be born at the end of 6,000 years. Ruhani Khazain, volume 3, page 475. This is a blatant lie by Mirza Sab. He has used the words many hadiths but cannot present a single correct hadith in this regard. This is just defamation of the Prophet. Mirza Sab has written that it is mentioned in the Sahih Hadith that loathsome Satan whispered into Isa's heart, peace be upon him. Summary, this story is also mentioned in the Bible. Zarurat al-Imam, page 1415, Ruhani Khazain, volume 13, page 486. This is also defamation of the Prophet. It is not mentioned in any hadith. Mirza Sab himself fabricated the hadith, which is a terrible sin. God's curse on the liars. Similarly, Mirza Sab has created another hadith from his perspective that in India there was a prophet of black color. His name was Kahan, who is called Krishna. Appendix Chashmai Marifat, page 10, Ruhani Khazain, volume 23, page 383. This is also not a hadith. This is Mirza Sahib's defamation of the Prophet. Our purpose is to inform society about the truth so that society is informed about the correct teachings and real facts. This is the fundamental right of all human beings. Please share and like the video and share your opinion in the comment section. Thank you.